You've taken your energy back and they cannot cope. For some of you, they are waiting for your return. For others of you, I feel as if they know that the situation is no more. And for some of you, your absence has now made their heart grow fonder. So I'm picking up 3 different energies. So for some of you, someone was not appreciating you and they were doing the most. They were doing the most. And you had to remove yourself and protect your energy from this individual. For others of you, maybe someone was just taking their sweet time and you were forced to pull back your energy. Regardless of the fact this person misses you. And during your time of absence from this individual's life, you focused on your healing, which forced this individual to focus on their healing. Now I'm picking up for some of you that it should have been a time for this individual to focus on their healing, but they struggling a little bit in that area because we've got the 5 of Swords in the reverse. So this individual feels like they're being exposed, and they have been, because during your time of not being around them, you could be feeling much lighter. You could be feeling much more fluid, because whenever they were around, you felt quite restrictive. You may have felt like they were micromanaging you. They were like a bodyguard. They were always, watching you, calling you. They just didn't leave your energy alone. You felt very stifled around this person. Their energy was very forceful. They crossed a lot of boundaries. It's almost as if they knew intuitively that, this type of energy comes up in the reading a lot. But it's almost as if intuitively this person knew that you were getting away and they didn't want you to be independent. They wanted you to be codependent for some reason, right? And it's almost as if spirit stepped in and separated the 2 of you for your healing, for their healing, for them to look at why are they acting in this way, regardless if this person has been negative or toxic towards you. There needed to be a break for a time of reflection. But for some of you, this individual is resisting this break. They're not using this break wisely. They cannot cope, because they thrive on control and they felt like they had control over you. They wanted to bind you. They wanted you to be powerless because they see you as so powerful. And to see that you are becoming independent, you're standing in your power, you're going after your goals, you seem much happier. They can sense this freedom from you. For some of you, they may try and reach out, they may try and call. And that's the thing, they're going against spirit if they try and do this, because they're not respecting the time away. They're supposed to use this time away to look at their patterns and hopefully leave you alone. Just about to swear there. Okay? But this person is so scared of an ending. They know that an ending's near and they're crashing out, or they're about to, because this cycle has come to an end. This cycle of emotional abuse, control, with them trying to keep you codependent, manipulation, it's come to an end, and you have freed yourself, or you are freeing yourself. And obviously you may know this person for a long time. They may have been very prominent in your life, and it may feel a little bit weird for you that they're no longer there, but it's almost as if you see someone every day and then you don't see them again. Obviously it may feel a bit strange, but I don't really feel on your end it's going to be that heavy. Yes, it's going to be like something's missing, but I'm picking up more of a sigh of relief and finding other people to connect with, because this person was like a plug, making sure that you couldn't connect with others and you felt always on edge around this individual. Could have been a toxic ex for some of you, or a toxic friend. that, I don't know, they were just in this very controlling energy. And I feel like for some of you, they were in this energy because they lack control in other areas of their life and they didn't want you to thrive. They were very fixated on your energy, on your growth. And now that they cannot access you, or in the future, they won't be able to cope. For some of you, this could be a love interest, and this person was taking a while to maybe admit how they felt for you because they were going through their own healing. And we are all on different timelines, but maybe you wanted them to be on your timeline and they weren't. And maybe it was for good reason, because if they came towards you unhealed, none of us are fully healed, but if they came towards you at that time in the state that they were in, it may have made a situation worse. And they were trying to protect you actually, because they know that they were in the Five of Swords energy and they're coming out of this energy, and they feel like in order to be closer to you, they need to be vibrating off the same frequency as yourself. They don't want to be coming towards you all toxic and, low vibrational, because they feel like you will just end the situation. And for some of you, that was the case, and you were forced to end the situation, because I'm hearing Baby Spice's song, What Took You So Long, which made this person resort to crashing out, because with this individual, I don't really feel like I feel like they were panicking. Like, how come I'm not hearing from you? What have I done? Will I ever hear from you again? It's that type of energy. A lot of inner turmoil that was bubbling within with this individual. I feel as if this person realized during their absence of you how they took you for granted, how they may have made you feel, being in an energy of trying to remain stoic when they didn't need to is coming up to the surface for this individual, and they want to put all that aside. I feel like this person's about to crack and express how they truly feel. For others of you, there was someone that was trying to slow you down and stagnate you, because this person has strong feelings for you because you are this individual's wish fulfillment. Now, you will expect that if you're someone's wish fulfillment, they'll be courteous towards you. They'll be nice, but this person, when they like someone, they want to control them. They want to bind them. They want to spy on them. They want the person to be at their mercy. To me, that's not love. This is madness, right? And this person may have made you feel quite trapped and stuck, very territorial of your energy. You may have met this person at work or at a church, some type of community center that you go to. You may have met them and, had some type of friendship with them, and maybe they wanted more and you didn't want more. And you weren't aware that this person was in this energy, but you felt very stifled around this person. And for some of you, you felt like this person didn't even like you, but they did like you, but they're quite repressed. And because they're repressed, that's how they demonstrate their liking for someone or their love for someone. And like I said, spirit intervened and got in the way of the situation. And this person feels out of control because, remember, they're very controlling and domineering. And they can't cope. This person does see you as family. For some of you, this could be a family member. This could be a sibling that you looked up to, that you wanted the best for. But this person didn't want the best for you. They wanted you to feel as though you were beneath them. They wanted you in the Nine of Swords energy because they are in the Nine of Swords energy. So you went incognito. And now, whoever this person is, they feel at a loss. They feel very saddened. For some of you, they feel like it's a wrap. During this absence, they realize that they are deeply in love with you. For some of you, I feel like this individual wants another chance with you. They want to reconcile with you. They may want to apologize, or they may feel like they should show you their appreciation somehow. They want a new beginning for some of you. For some of you, that's possible. For others of you, it's not advisable. It's not advisable because this person will be in the same old energy, and they may even up the ante, especially if you reconcile with them, because they miss you, or they are going to miss you, and they're going to feel extremely intensely towards you, and they will feel like they can't lose you again. So their control will be worse than it is now. This could be a mother figure. This could be a mum for some of you. For others of you, this person realizes that they need to lean more onto their softer side and come out of that hard energy that they were in, because they actually pushed you away. They want things to be balanced, is what I'm picking up. They want an equal balance of give and take. So they realize that things need to be reciprocated, especially if things were one-sided. You know, if this is a love situation, I feel like your absence has made this person's heart grow fonder. This person may not have really valued the connection. And for some of you, they may want to come back in and take you out. They may want to spend money on you, regardless if you are a male or a female. You know, that's their love language. That's their way of showing appreciation. They may want to take you out for a drink, a coffee, to the art gallery, to the museum, to some type of show, is what I'm picking up, to the cinema, because they feel like they need to do what's right. And for some of you, this person feels like they're getting karma. The thing is, they don't even know why they're getting the karma, but I feel like part of their karma, especially if they were acting very low vibrational with you, if they were being very controlling, very toxic towards you, them not having access to you now is making them crash out, and they don't know what to do. But like I said, for some of you, this person is resistant, and they may try and reach out to you. And if they try and reach out to you, they will be quite angry, because in their view, you're getting away. So that is what I have for you. You could be dealing with someone that is a Aquarius, Leo, Virgo, Pisces, Taurus, Libra, Cancer, Pisces again, Aries, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. I'm hearing that if you are dealing with someone that is in this toxic energy of manipulation and control, you are going to have some boundaries. And for some of you, you may have to end this connection. You may have been trying to end this connection, but this person's not getting their assignment. And you have to think to yourself, have you been entertaining this situation? And if you have been, you got to ask yourself, why? Is there insecurity within you that needs validation from this person? If that's the case, that's the reason why this person's still prominent in your life. And if that is the case, then don't be surprised if your blessings are blocked, because this person will just drag you down energetically, and opportunities will be blocked. Your happiness will be compromised also with an individual like this, because this person is very toxic. And even if they are given to you and they love your energy and all the rest of it, that's nice, but it comes as a price. It comes at a price, I should say, sorry, when you're dealing with an individual like this, you know, because there's always something that is owed. And then before you know it, you're trapped in a loop, you're in a bind, you're indebted to this individual. So this could be an opportunity for you to actually free yourself for good. You know, obviously some of you, you don't want to just abruptly end things, especially if there's been no argument, but just slowly start distancing yourself away from this individual. Don't speak to them as much. Don't be around them as much. Some of you may live in the same area. Some of you may meet up, you know, at a club or at a church function or something, or at work, or whatever the case is, or there could be family. You can still have boundaries. You do not always have to be available. Start prioritizing yourself first, and you'll start to see your life shift and change. Take care of yourself. Swim away. Peace out.